Oh my god. Take this.
Oh, baby. POMNI! POMNI!
Will you marry me?
Oh my god. Who's screaming?
Oh my god! Catnap is murdered!
My god, who did this terrible thing?
Look! On the floor next to him. Is that a bell? POMNI, it's you, isn't it?
Not me. I'm totally innocent.
With the fibs, POMNI. Isn't this your bell?
Come with us to the cell. You killed Catnap!
Cross my heart, it wasn't me!
Get her!
Huh? Aha!
Damn it! He vanished! Let's find another way.
Whew, thank God they've been fooled.
Time's up, POMNI! No, we're hiding!
I didn't do anything! Please let me go!
Lock her up! It's time for POMNI to think about what she did.
Don't worry, the truth will soon pop out.
Seriously, I swear, it's not me! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Huh?
I didn't notice his hand earlier. Oh god, it's not POMNI, it's Ragatha! I'm sorry, POMNI. I know it wasn't you. It's Ragatha.
Thank you for believing me.
But you gotta help me get her to own up to her crime.
I'll help you!
Finally!